got it.
Right.
That thing spreads fast.
Oh, don't look like that. If I didn't drop it.
How would you stop Asian hate when that happens?
Well, you can proceed with your hate. It's not our month anymore.
Oh,
Yeah. You want to shoot at it?
No. I won't even be able to reach it. Oh, you know what? I'll put one round on it. See how that
You gotta
goes.
hit each plate at least once.
You got to hit each plate at least once or you get penalized.
Oh,
I think it's got like an 8-foot spread on it at 4 feet.
that would be perfect in a hallway, though. That would fuck shit.
Got him. Hit finish. Unload so clear if they're muzzle up or flag it if you got it. Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by. Over. Are you ready?
All right, Nate.
Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by.
That is fun. It is. Just wait till you actually come and do a three-man match.
I know. Damn it.
What I miss are the shotgun matches. We'd have shotgun matches and try big field matches. Oh, that was so running a shoot house with shotgun.
Oh, that sounds great.
Why is he rolling? Not shooting. Tackle bear.
Oh, come on.
What are you waiting for?
Yeah, unload so clear. Muzzle up, you're good. Port on. There you go. Are you ready?
JP.
Stand by.
he is. Filing your serial number off.
I'm gonna take and, I put it back on. Oh, no. I'm gonna take and X that off all the way, and then it just looks stamped on the receiver.
When you fire that, you shouldn't have to push that button.
Yeah, I know. I don't know
Hey,
what
for
happened.
my very first time running it, I'm happy.
No, I'm jealous. I'd love to have one of
That
those.
thing is awesome.
Those are really
I got
nice.
shells.
Don't worry about it.
Same shells, I take it.
Range is clear!
Take it apart and see what's going on in there.
So you were chambering around fine, but it wasn't.
That's what I'm telling you. Let's just call it quits.
Yeah,
Like,
that's just torture at that
point.
Yeah.
Over! Are you ready?
Mine was 3.
Stand by.
Well, thank you.
3?
Yeah.
3.
Oh, 300?
That's what you need to- For what I'm doing, it's fine.
Yeah.
But I'm afraid I'm going to like it. 'Cause it is.
Oh, it is a hoot. Yeah.
Huh. Try a different strategy. He went spinner, popper, spinner, popper. It didn't seem to work out very well.
This seems like a lot of extra movement.
I know. Well,
It's
what you did, you
fun.
went across 1, 2, 3, 4, hit the spinner. I think the timing was it had a weird spot.
It wasn't a weird thing, yeah. I still had to wait. Do you remember?
10 something.
Dang.
I think my plan worked out okay. I could have been shorter because I, kind of like Josh, we both took an extra, it was like going over and over, and Adam goes over, and we both went boom!
Fire is a different command.
I had to add a reload, but mine was like 15. More shots on the spinner than I thought I would. I thought it'd be like
I
2
could have
shots.
done it in 3, I think, and I did it.
I think I was like 5 or 6. That was painful. It wanted to go over.
So, would you two rather be working today or,
Oh, I would way rather be doing this.
I don't know, I started getting work orders this morning. Sent Travis a text message, it's like, dude, not there.
I
Stop.
probably did too, but. Oh, wow.
I gotta machine some Dell render before I leave.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Waste his round.
Patience. Patience. Now. Now.
Didn't go over!
Bottom. Top.
Just make sure you're not rim blocking.
Clear!
Okay.
Stand by.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey Nate, it seems to be working.
Do like 6 shots in a row. Maybe it's just because it's worked. It seems to be working.
You know, What I don't like about the Mossberg is I've got to have, compared to like my Remington shotgun, I have like an old 870. I gotta get my head way down on that thing to see the D level.
Yeah.
And I think I gotta get an adjustment to the stock.
Gotta go through the.
Yeah.
I mean, there's set up with DJ.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think about it. I'm just getting
My stalker, man, it sits so tall. It's nice.
I know, that's what I wish I had. I like that. That's why I like those guns like yours so much. They fit you better.
Yeah, that's a way to.
But if I ever get into the
they're like Adam and John Headland and they're way better shooters than me, but they missed like 3 or 4.
Where I was at in life
So,
was
just the way the scores worked out.
I just built a handrail for a doctor lady, and my take home on it was almost 11 grand.
Yeah.
So I bought my Glock 35, my
I love
P226 single action only Legion, shotgun, and 5
My
RMRs.
wife and I bought our first gun a little over a year ago, and we started doing some shooting, and I found out this great kid, the match is here, so I went to my first match, and instantly hooked.
He's got a
Are you ready?
I do have
Stand by.
Okay.
I am not a big fan of.
Okay. Yeah.
But anyway, yeah, I told Nate. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And just say, hey, Joe, I want the same deal.
Wow.
Yeah.
I might have to make
I
some
want
of
the
those.
147 heavy master. Tom told me he might still have some.
Why not? You should even just go camping, you
No,
know?
what's your number? What's your number?
Yeah. That's an awesome idea, though.
And Bill calling me. I actually signed up for national, but I'll go.
Oh, really? Oh, awesome. That's cool.
They go.
we just moved
They
to
go the
Idaho.
week after.
Okay.
He got me in the league.
Nice.
Yeah, I need to probably do the chest rig like what you have.
Yeah.
Someday. I have some things.
Pretty much, if you can shoot a shotgun and reload it, that's 90% of shotgunning.
It's really all your.
Just find your natural point.
Mine.
I always,
Mine.
I put my elbows out.
Yeah.
I know, get
See,
myself moving way
and
better.
you guys are so much better with yours.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Yeah, you guys did
I
really well.
love pistol, and it's always checked. I think 3 guns is more.
Not running.
What are you guys doing the shotgun and Tri-Face? I haven't, no. I work every weekend, so I have to use like vacation time. That really sucks.
So how many of these are you going to be able to do this year? Just a couple or 2, 3? Oh, you do 5?
I'm gonna do 5.
I'm gonna do 3 here. And, well, one of those being vacation and hunting, so.
Where?
I came home and told my wife, and she
Stand
goes,
by.
well, why didn't you buy 10 more?